Learn how to make the padded hip in this tutorial. So you have all your measurements: the waist, the hip length, the hip, and the padded hip. So the actual hip is 40 and the increased hip is 46. So I just took the measurement from the waist to the hip, and the hip measurement put here is the added hip, which is 46. So I added the sewing allowance and the shape goes thus. So the hip shape at the back is drawn like this, and after I have drawn the hip shape at the back, I'll draw the hip shape at the front also like this. So this is the shape of the hip pad at the front and back. So I'm going to trace it out like so on the foam. I'll trace it out like so on the foam, and after I've traced it out, I just trace the back pad. So the back pad is cut like this, and after I have traced the back pad, I'll cut the laminate foam also. This laminate foam is different from the ordinary foam because this one strengthens the hip pad more and give it a kind of firmness. So after which the laminate foam will be gummed together with the ordinary foam. So then we'll attach it together with needle and thread. So what I'm attaching together here is the back hip pad and the front hip pad. Then here is my dress, the skirt part of it, and I'm going to attach the upper part before I put the hip pad. So you must be almost done before you put your hip pad, because it will be difficult for you to do any other thing on the dress. So here am I. Then I'm going to turn to the wrong side like so, and on the lining I will be attaching the hip pad like so. So consider the hip length while you attach your hip pad, because the location at which you attach it matters a lot. So I'll go ahead and also use my needle and thread to attach the hip pads on the dress. So after I've done that, this is what I have. The hip is inside the dress already, and I will use my hand to adjust it very well. So if you want a longer video, I have like 2 videos on my channel that can explain this better. Very long video. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So this is the result. You can see it's very beautiful. So if you also need our customized hip pad like short, you can get it at the rate of 10,000 naira or $20. It can be delivered to you anywhere in the world.